How to set up WhatsApp Business auto reply setting. So you need to open your WhatsApp Business app for that. After that, tap on the three dot, and here you can see the settings option. What you need to do is just go on chats, and here, no, what you need to do is just go to business tools, and here you can see the messaging. Under there, you can see greeting messages and away messages. So what you need to do is tap on greeting messages. Enable this option and write a greeting message like thank you for contacting our cosmetics. Please let us know if we can help, and tap on OK. And after that, if someone sends you a text like hi, hello in your business account, then this text will be automatically sent to that person. So tap on save. And here is another option, away message, like when you're away, how can you send a message? So enable the option here again. And here also you may write whatever greetings away message you want to give to that person. So like thank you for your message. We're unable right now, but we'll respond as soon as possible. So tap on OK and enable this option and send to everyone. So that's it. That's how you basically set up for your business account in so that's how you basically set up that reply instantly chat on WhatsApp business account from WhatsApp. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful to you.